Well, today we're doing a tire paint. Not tire paint actually, just the letters. This is what I'm using right here. I got this from Facebook. I don't know, I saw on Facebook, I wanted to try it out. So I ordered this. Um, I don't know. It seemed like a mess. But I'm thinking about using acetone and then clean the corners with acetone after I'm done, just to make it look more clean. It's really hard to stay on the lines with this, especially with the tip. It's kind of thick, so I'm trying to do my best. Already did the other side. Already did this side and the tire on the back. This one. I'm thinking to do the other letters down here, but I want to see how much I got left first before I start jumping on the other letters and then I run out. So far so good, I like it. I just need to clean the corners around it. So I'll probably use acetone after I'm done and clean the corners. But anyway, this is what I've been doing. Trying to stay on the line as much as I can. It's hard though. I cleaned the tire. Well, not the tire, I cleaned the letters first before I applied this, because I had Amoro on my tires. I'm getting a little messy too because I'm trying to do it quick. I don't want to be here all day. It look like it might rain or something. But anyway, I definitely would probably get acetone and clean the corners of it. So just to show you a little bit of the process, a little pain in the ass, just because, like I say, the tip is too thick, and for you to stay inside the lane, I don't care if you go slow or fast like I am, it's hard, especially on these corners right here. For you to do that corner without coming out of it, I want to see you try. It is hard. So acetone and clean it after it dry. But like I said, I got these pens on Facebook. It was a website. It just showed up on Facebook, so I ordered them because I wanted to try them. I probably gotta do it like another coat of them. But so far, I did all four wheels, just one side of the letters. I didn't do the other side, but I did all four wheels, one coat with the same pen. I'm thinking I should be able to do another coat with the same pen on all four wheels again. And if I get to do that without running out, I'll probably try to do the other side, but the other side is more letters. So I don't know. I might just leave it like that though, just with that one. Kind of like it like that. Anyway, any comments? Leave them below. Subscribe, like, share. Be safe.